In today's video, I'll show you how to block IP addresses in Cloudflare so you can control unwanted traffic and improve your website security. If you're new to IP blocking, it allows you to prevent specific visitors or sources from accessing your website based on their IP address. First, sign in to your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Select the website where you want to manage access. Next, go to the Security section and open the Firewall or Security Rules area. This is where you can create rules to control incoming traffic. Now choose the option to create a new rule. You'll need to define the condition that Cloudflare should check when someone visits your website. For example, you can create a rule based on an IP address. Enter the IP address you want to block and select the action that Cloudflare should take when a matching visitor is detected. Choose the block action and review the rule carefully before saving it. After creating the rule, Cloudflare will automatically apply it to incoming requests. Visitors from the blocked IP address will no longer be able to access your website based on the rule you created. You can also block multiple IP addresses by adding additional rules or using a list if you need to manage several addresses. To monitor the results, check your security events in Cloudflare. This helps you see blocked requests and confirm that the rule is working correctly. If you accidentally block a legitimate visitor, you can return to your security rules, edit the rule, or remove it completely. Always review your rules regularly to make sure your website remains secure without affecting normal users. And that's how you block IP addresses in Cloudflare. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.